Hello YouTube, this is the first in a series of virus programs that will not only show you viruses, how to create them, but it will also show you what each individual command does, so you can actually gain a knowledge from them, unlike just having a virus. Alright, this is my first virus. I created it, thanks a lot. It's called Google Bomb. First, type add echo off, colon, capital A, start explorer, go to, colon, A. What this does is the add echo off, I'll explain that in my intermediate and advanced tutorials. For now, I'm just going to say you always put add echo off. At the top, A. It's just a point, and what this says is go to A. And so, after it does this, which will start and explore, it'll go down to A, and it'll go back up. It'll keep running in a loop until eventually your computer just gets jammed. Start runs command prompt, explorer, it runs another program. I'm running a blank slate for that. Alright, here is the first thing that you want to do. Type start, and then any website, I'll just use Google. And I just like to copy and paste. Sorry, I accidentally deleted that text right there. And what this is doing is immediately going through, and after it runs Start and Explorer, it runs all those Google programs as quick as it can, then it goes back to A, restarts it, and just keeps going over and over and over and over until your computer is just has way too many things open, because the command prompt takes about 11 megabytes of memory, and that's a bitch. And with all those open, and all the web pages, it won't be long before the computer is jammed and shut down. This virus would be very helpful if you wanted to shut down someone's computer without them knowing. You could just save it to the desktop, change the icon, and call it Internet Explorer or something like that that frequently gets clicked on. Click on it, and they won't know what happened, and it'll just do all this, and their computer will crash. I won't show any fatal viruses, fatal advanced viruses in the beginner tutorial. Alright, so that's one. This is the message virus. What you do is you just message an asterisk in quotations, hi, this is a virus. Any message you wanted, make sure it's always in quotations. At the end, I'm just gonna put go to A. At the top, just put A. And what that does is it just keeps running in a loop message. This is a virus over and over and over and over. Alright. Then another decent one would be these are very fatal viruses that I'm about to show you. Please do not test these viruses out on your own computer. I wouldn't advise trying to attempt them on any computer because they're fatal. First one is the least deadly. Format C:/. What that does is it just takes the hard drive, totally reformats it into something, it makes it factory default. Like when you first bought the computer, that's what it's going to make it. It's helpful on your own computer if you have viruses, but that's that code then. Delete Windows. It deletes the Windows program from your computer, and it is just a bitch. And that one's the most fatal. This one, delete explorer.exe, which stands for executable command. And what that does is, if anyone has ever gone through their processes on Task Manager and wanted to see stuff to delete to speed your computer up, well, if you ever accidentally clicked it on one, explorer.exe right there, if you delete that, you will lose all the desktop icons. All this will be deleted. You'll lose your background until you turn the computer off, when it really freaks people out. Thank you. And this has been an instructional tutorial by 8015 Inc. Email me at jacob8015@yahoo.com if you have any questions. Thank you. And from all of us at 8015 Inc., have a great day.